everyone, I'm Ece Beyhan. I'm computer engineering student at Bilkent University. I will do an experiment for my Physics 101 project. In the experiment, I will show the effects of masses and heights of the objects on their velocities after they slide down on an inclined surface. To do the experiment, I will use air table, puck, for different objects whose masses are different, balance, ruler, carbon paper, and an inclined surface whose friction is minimized. I will use 5 different masses in order to do the experiment. For this, I will use a puck and 4 objects whose masses are different. I will stick those 4 objects one by one on the puck, and then I will obtain their masses by using a balance. In order to obtain different heights, I will set objects free from different points on the inclined surface. I mark the points from where I will set objects free. Then, to calculate the heights, I will use the triangle that is from between the inclined surface and the air table. I will find the sine of the angle between the inclined surface and the air table by dividing the lengths of the two sides of the triangle. Then I will multiply the sine and the length of the hypotenuse which I found when I mark the points from where I will set objects free. After obtaining different masses and heights, I will record them in data tables. In order to calculate the average velocity, I will obtain the data which are distance and time from the carbon paper and record them also. First, I set the puck free. Then I stick 4 masses one by one to the puck and set them free. In the first part of the experiment, I set objects free at the same height. In the second part, I will use the puck without any mass that's sticked on it. I will set it free from different points that I marked on the surface before. After doing the experiment and getting data, I calculated the average velocity and drew 2 graphs. First one shows the change of the velocity depending on mass. Since the slope of the line is approximately 0, it can be concluded that the change in the mass doesn't affect the velocity. The second graph shows the change of the velocity depending on height. The slope of the line is greater than 0 as the height increases. This means that as height increases, the velocity increases too. In conclusion, while masses of the objects which slide down don't affect their velocities, their heights from where they are set free have an effect on them.